Hello, everyone. iOS 15 has been released today. So should I update to the latest iOS 15? Here are some new features in iOS 15 worth to try. Let's check now. First is live text. With this feature you can call or send email or copy the text in a photo. You can scan via camera and copy the text. Or just tap the live text icon to insert the text. Also, you can select the text on a stored or online photo. The second is notifications. With iOS 15, you can schedule notification summary now. Go to Notifications in Settings and turn on Scheduled Summary. You can choose apps and time to receive summary. Also, you can mute notification for 1 hour or 1 day from Notification Center. Draw the notification to left and tap options. You can choose to mute for 1 hour or mute for today. The third is focus. It's upgraded Do Not Disturb. Except for Do Not Disturb, you can set up any mode to customize allowed notifications and let others know you're away. Then you can easily turn it on or off in Control Center. The fourth is drag and drop activities. You can drag links, photos, or text to another app directly. The last is Find My. With iOS 15, your iPhone will remain findable after power off. And there is another feature unavailable temporarily. That is Share Play. With it, you can share your screen with your friends on a FaceTime call. Then you can watch and listen online with your friends remotely. But this feature is not available now. It will be released in later updates. That's it. Please follow us if you want more tips and tricks.